Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to do HTML with a specific topic. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see I have typed some tags. These are the tags. You please type these tags in your screen first, then I will start the main work. So I will start now. So after writing this, click on file and then save as. Select your location and the name. I will keep it channel, like channel. And then here save as type. Here click on the option and then scroll down. Here you can see hypertext markup language file, means HTML. So click on that and then save. Okay, and then I will go to file manager. I'll open this. Here you can see is browser. This will open with live server, means this will show in a browser. So I am opening in Microsoft Edge. If you want to open in Chrome, right click on the file and then open with and then Google Chrome. Okay, I am opening with Microsoft Edge. Okay, here you can see there is a web page opened. So wait once time, let me some time. Yeah, now you can see it's opened. Please copy this. I am 1 second repeating. For this the whole execution will be able to work. Okay, so I will again go and then you can see here it's a web page opened, and here the all work will be done here. So and then go, then I have opened this one and this note, and this is another notepad. I will give this link in the description, so check the description and download the app. It is notepad plus plus. Okay, the app name is notepad plus plus. So I have opened not this notepad, so I will do not open again. If you have mistakenly closed the notepad, then you can edit here, right click and edit with notepad plus plus. Okay, I will not open because in my screen notepad is already open. So first give the title. Here you can see, and in the last video as I've told that this is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. This slash represent the ending tag, so right in middle the title. So I will give the title. My title is deserts. Okay, yeah, now press Ctrl plus S to save and then reload. Here you can see it's changes into deserts, as you can see. Okay, so then keep it here. If you want to backpass here, so keep it near the title. Yeah, and then here is the ending head tab. Okay, and then here body. Okay, so I want to insert an image of desert first. Okay, so I am inserting. For inserting, simply search some images. As a screen is here, so I have chosen an image, so I will not search again. You can search. Okay, then I will right click and here copy image link, copy the link, and then come to notepad again. Okay, and then here you have to type here first opening tab tag opening angle bracket. Okay, then you have to press img shortcut for image. Then you have to press src, stands for source, equal to, and then this inverted commas, and then paste the link. Okay, and then shift plus again inverted comma close, and then press control plus s. Okay, to save it, and then here again reload. Now see what's happened. Uh, yeah, you can see the picture has came. Here you can see, is it big picture, so it will not show in this way. Okay, so I will decrease the width and height of this picture. So how I will do, see, after that press height, just after that do not type the closing angle bracket. Okay, just after that yeah, now, oh yeah, now then I will go to height. Yeah, then equal to, and then inverted commas, and remember all inputs means like this height, and equal to, then input that you want to give here, all should be written in inverted commas. Okay, so then I will give the height 500, all the result will be in pixel. Okay, and then I will give space and then width, type width. Yeah, it came, press enter, and then equal to, and then inverted comma, and then 300. Okay, I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment. I will try to solve. Then closing angle bracket, and for closing and opening angle bracket, just there you can see that a key press with full stop and the angle brackets. If you type the keyword first, it will show full stop. So if you want to give the angle bracket, you have to type shift plus that. Okay, so I will press Ctrl plus S to save it, and then I will again go to here and then reload, and then you can see it's completely given. Okay, one thing, I'm not given the heading, so I will give the heading here. So for giving the heading, there is one way. Okay, press enter after the title, and then opening angle bracket h1. Oh sorry, I typed h1, and then closing angle bracket, and then type the heading. If you I want to write it in capital, so I will deserts is came, and then opening angle bracket slash h. Here it will not be h1 because the whole paragraph will be uh, will be here. So I will click on that. So I will click it Ctrl plus S, and then I will click this. Oh, it came under. Okay. Okay. Then here you can. Here I am trying. As I am a beginner, I am trying to do this. Okay. So I am clicked here P, and then no P, yeah, P. Then here there I forgot to do the angle bracket. Yeah, I've done. Then again opening angle bracket slash P, and then this. Okay, and then press Ctrl plus S, and then here reload. Here there you can see that it's done. Now it's done. Okay, here what I have done, here I have made a different paragraph for the image. That's why it's done. Okay, so I have done it. So okay, so now I want to change the font color. Okay, then what I will do, then here in body I want to change the background color. So what I will do, I will simply remove the closing angle bracket, and then press body bg color equal to, then inverted comma, and then blue, or any color you, but sometimes but some colors are not there in HTML, so you cannot use them. I am choosing sky blue, so it will run. Okay, I am choosing sky blue, sky and blue. Okay, and then inverted comma, and then Control plus S. So save it, and then here reload. Here you can see it's done. Again it's came, as you can see. Again it's came. So for that case, I will copy this. Okay. Do one thing. Enter here. Okay. No. And then here you have to press this one. Okay. I forgot to give the closing bracket. Okay, then press Ctrl plus S, and then go to here and then reload. There you came. So I have completed up to here. So then I will give some description, some types, and some more about deserts and all. So before that I want to change the font color. Okay, then I will open it and then font, then color equal to, I am doing something wrong here. Yeah, now it's perfect. Equal to, I am choosing yellow. Okay, yellow. Yeah, given, and then this, and then closing bracket, and then Control plus S, and now you see. Wait a while, because is heading, that's why it's not working. If I type the body, then you can see that is in yellow. If I copy this and paste it beside the heading, then you can see that that is working. Okay, then you can see. And this one, I think it's not color, as I am. Okay, let's choose blue. Control plus S, then reload. Okay, I think it will be here. I think. Okay, control plus C, control plus I will cut it and then right here. Control plus V. Okay, and then done this. Okay, leave it. I will discuss later. This one. Okay. Okay, let me see what I have done here. Okay. Oh, okay. Font, not font color. Okay, I don't want to font color. There it will be text, not color, not font color. Now I understood. Okay. Text, then space here, and then no. Okay, sorry. After the BG color is there, no. So I will delete it. Means backspace. So here I will delete this and then write text equal to, then text equal to yellow. Yeah, then close and then control plus S, and then as I hope it will run. No, it's still not running. I don't know what is the problem. Let's see the problem again. Head. Oh, okay. Now let me see if it's done or not. But I think if you if we write this, then the color will be yellow. Okay, so paste it here. I'll paste it here. Then control plus S and then save and then reload. It's not running now. What I have done here? I think here I have to write body body BG color is white. Okay, wait. Let me wait. What is the problem here? Yeah. Then if you press Ctrl plus S, then here you can reload. Then you can see it's done. Oh, now I got relief. Then it's done. This command you have to write in changing the color and BG. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay, now let us come to the body. So I will remove this as I was trying to do for you. So I will come to the body. Okay, so here I will simply press this one, then P, and then this, and then I will type the first one. What I will add some types of deserts are, then colon, and then one thing is you have to do that, you have to end this paragraph, because as you have wrote in copies and all, what you have written, you have wrote this starting to give a perfect answer. Okay, so I will end this paragraph. So for ending, then again press this and then this. Okay, then press Ctrl plus S to save, and then press this one. Then you can see it's done. Okay, so let you can come, and here I will change. I will not keep that yellow, I will keep that red, as I want to change, give it different color. Okay, okay, here I think that BG color is not required here. I will save it again and let's see that it's not done or not. Yeah, BG color is not required here, because BG color is always given in body, so it's not required. Just choose the font color. Okay, so I will keep it red, and then I will reload. Okay, here, oh, here also I have done that mistake. As you can see, here also I have done that mistake. Oh, okay, then keep it white. No, here I will write red, and then here yeah, now it's, yeah, if I change this to yellow, it will work. No, it's not working, because here I have written body, I think. If I read head, I think now it will work. I'm not sure, I am just telling. Okay, let me see. Oh, I am writing these, but all are changing into one. Okay, wait. I think that I have to type here H1, because it's named H1. So from my opinion, it will be H1. Now just let's see. If it don't work, don't worry. I am always there. I will post videos on this again. Okay, it's not working. So keep it. My favorite color is red, so I am keeping it red. So erase it from here. Only give this, and then Control plus S, and then let's see what is happening. Yeah, so I have written up to some types of deserts are. So I have ended this paragraph. So I will now write P1 for a new paragraph, then 1 bracket for giving the serial numbers bracket. Okay, this is not this one. Then I will write, okay, yeah, I will write Sahara Desert. And it is a type of desert, as you know, I think. Sahara Desert. Okay. Then I will end this paragraph with P because I am ending the full paragraph. Okay. Yeah, this paragraph completed. So let's see what's happening there. Yeah, it's came, as you have seen. It's came now. Sahara Desert, and then I will type Kalahari Desert. I will again press P1 and then Kalahari. All the same, all will be same like the Sahara Desert. It means the format, not the name, the format. Kalahari Desert. Yeah. Then I will press again this one. Yeah. Then I will press Ctrl plus S, and then I will go to here. Then as you can see, is added. Okay, and then I will see some desert name from here. Yeah. Namib Desert, Danakil Desert, Karu Desert. I will write first Karu. So do same. Yeah, Karu Desert. Caroo. Karu, and then desert. Okay, then I will end the paragraph. Yeah. Now it's alright. So I will save. Now I will write the full thing and then I will see. P1 and then this and then 4 and then this. I think it will be P. Let's see. It's working, but it can be P because it's in blue there. That's why I'm telling. Yeah, it P. It can be P. Okay. Paragraph, one paragraph started and one paragraph ended. That's was the format. Okay. And then I will type Namib Desert. Yeah. And then I will end. Yeah. Then I will save. Always save the file and then reload it. Otherwise it will not don't work. And then I will see again the name Danakil and Guban. I will only write Guban because I am only just showing for an example. I don't need this, so I am writing on my own. Then Guban Desert. Guban, then desert. Okay, so I will end here, and this. I'll save it, and then you can see it's now So guys, this was the only video for this part. I will again come in the next video with another types of formats in HTML and how to change the size of text and font style and all. So check the description for the notepad that I will give the link. So till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay tuned.